Emma woke up feeling excited. Valentine's Day was just 2 days away, and her school was having a big party. Everyone in her class was bringing something special: cookies, chocolates, decorations, and small gifts. Emma wanted to bring something fun and delicious for her friends. She ran downstairs to the kitchen, where her mom was making breakfast. "Good morning, sweetheart," Mom said, flipping a pancake. "You look happy today." "Good morning, Mom." Emma smiled. "I have a great idea. Can we bake something special for my class Valentine's Day party?" Mom turned off the stove and sat down with Emma at the table. "That sounds like fun. What do you want to bake?" Emma thought for a moment. "Cupcakes. Chocolate cupcakes with pink frosting." Mom laughed. "That's a perfect choice. Everyone loves cupcakes, and I can teach you how to bake them." Emma's eyes lit up. She loved helping her mom in the kitchen. Cooking together always felt special. And today, it was even more exciting because she was making something for her friends. After breakfast, Emma and her mom made a list of ingredients. "We need flour, sugar, eggs, cocoa powder, butter, milk, and vanilla extract for the cupcakes," Mom said. "And for the frosting, we need powdered sugar, more butter, and pink food coloring. Don't forget the sprinkles." Emma giggled. "You're right. We need heart-shaped sprinkles for Valentine's Day," Mom agreed. Once they had their list, they got ready to go to the store. Emma put on her pink jacket and grabbed a small shopping bag. At the grocery store, Emma helped pick out the ingredients. She carefully placed the butter and eggs into the cart. "Mom, can we get extra sprinkles?" she asked, pointing to a colorful pack. Mom smiled. "Why not? More sprinkles, more fun." After they finished shopping, they headed home. "Are you ready to bake?" Mom asked. "Yes," Emma said excitedly. They washed their hands, put on their aprons, and started baking. "Okay, first we need to mix the dry ingredients," Mom said. She handed Emma a big bowl. "Can you put 2 cups of flour in here?" Emma carefully scooped the flour and poured it into the bowl. Then she added sugar, cocoa powder, and a little salt. "Now we mix the wet ingredients," Mom said. She cracked 2 eggs into another bowl. "Can you add the milk and vanilla extract?" Emma nodded and poured in the milk and vanilla. Then Mom showed her how to mix everything together. "Now we slowly add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients," Mom explained. Emma took turns mixing, and soon they had a smooth chocolatey batter. "It smells so good already," Emma said, taking a deep breath. "Wait until they bake," Mom said with a wink. "Let's pour them into the cupcake trays." Emma carefully filled each cupcake liner with the batter. She was careful not to spill, but a little chocolate dropped on the counter. "Oops," she giggled. "I made a mess." Mom laughed and handed her a napkin. "That's okay. Cooking is fun, and sometimes it gets messy." They placed the cupcakes in the oven and set the timer. While they waited, they started making the frosting. "First, we need butter," Mom said, placing it in a bowl. "Now we mix it until it's soft and creamy." Emma held the mixer and turned it on. The butter became smooth. Then she added powdered sugar slowly while Mom guided her. "Now for the fun part," Mom said. She took out the pink food coloring and added a few drops. Emma's eyes widened. "Wow, it's turning pink." Mom handed Emma a spoon. "Want to taste it?" Emma took a tiny lick. "Mmm, it's so sweet and yummy." Ding! The oven timer went off. The cupcakes were ready. Emma and her mom took them out carefully. They smelled like warm chocolate. "We have to let them cool before frosting them," Mom said. While they waited, Emma helped clean up. She wiped the counter, washed the bowls, and put away the ingredients. Finally, the cupcakes were cool. Mom handed Emma a piping bag filled with the pink frosting. "Here, you can decorate them," Mom said. Emma carefully squeezed the bag and made swirls of pink frosting on each cupcake. Then, she added the heart-shaped sprinkles. "They look so pretty," Emma said proudly. "You did a great job," Mom said. "Now let's pack them for your school party." The next day, Emma carried the box of cupcakes to school. When she arrived, her friends gathered around her. "Wow, did you make these?" Mia asked. "Yes, my mom taught me how to bake them," Emma said with a smile. Jack picked one up and took a bite. "These are amazing," he said. "So soft and chocolatey. Can you share the recipe with us?" another friend asked. "Yes, and tell your mom thank you from all of us," Mia said. Emma felt so happy. She had learned a new recipe, baked with her mom, and made her friends smile. When she got home, she gave her mom a big hug. "Mom, everyone loved the cupcakes. They want the recipe, and they said thank you." Mom smiled and hugged her back. "That makes me so happy. I'm proud of you, Emma." That evening, Emma and her mom sat together, writing down the recipe on small cards. They decorated the cards with tiny heart stickers. "Now I can give these to my friends tomorrow," Emma said. "That's a wonderful idea," Mom said. "Sharing is the best part of baking." The next day, Emma handed out the recipe cards at school. Her friends were so happy. "I'm going to bake these at home," Mia said. "Me too. My little brother will love them," Jack added. Emma felt proud and grateful. Baking with Mom had been so much fun. She had learned something new, made delicious treats, and shared happiness with her friends. As she walked home that day, she smiled, thinking, this was the best Valentine's Day ever.